Considering a move to Wisconsin, whether you're drawn by the natural beauty, the lower cost of living, or the friendly communities, this video will guide you through 5 essential things to know before making Wisconsin your new home. Wisconsin offers affordable housing options, with costs significantly below the national average. Cities like Green Bay and Appleton provide more than 20% lower housing costs compared to national averages. This affordability allows you to enjoy a comfortable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Prepare for all 4 seasons in Wisconsin. Winters can be harsh, with temperatures dropping below 0 degrees Fahrenheit and heavy snowfall. Summers are warm, with temperatures reaching up to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Embrace the seasonal changes by enjoying activities like ice fishing in winter and boating in summer. To recap, Wisconsin offers affordable living, distinct seasons, friendly communities, abundant outdoor activities, and a unique winter moving experience. With proper preparation, your move to Wisconsin can be a smooth and rewarding transition. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Badger State.